Welcome to AutoCAD channel. Today I gonna show you how to insert symbol in the AutoCAD. Before starting the video, I requested to my viewers to subscribe my channel, and if this video is useful, please like this video. So let's get started. To insert symbol, first select on the text, then select symbol and select your specific symbol. Like I wanted to write 45 degree. Here I write here. First write 45, then go to the symbol and select degree. Then you will see the symbol of degree has inserted. If you wanted to insert plus minus, you press plus minus. If you wanted to show diameter, you select this diameter option, or if you wanted to insert symbol of electrical phase or center line or boundary line or ohm, omega, etc., you will select this option. Then it will be inserted in the AutoCAD. And if any symbol is not shown in this box, then select others, and here you can get your expected symbol. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.